Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook to improve your website's loading speed. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in utilizing Facebook's tools and features to optimize your website's performance, enhance user experience, and boost your search engine rankings. Section 1. The importance of website loading speed. Website loading speed is a crucial factor that affects user experience, search engine optimization, SEO, and overall business success. A slow-loading website can frustrate users. Users may abandon your website if it takes too long to load, leading to decreased engagement and higher bounce rates. Harm SEO. Search engines prioritize websites that load quickly, so slow-loading pages can negatively impact your search rankings. Diminish sales. Slow loading times can discourage potential customers from completing purchases, leading to lost revenue. Section 2. Facebook's role in website speed optimization. Facebook offers several tools and features that can help you improve your website's loading speed. Facebook Instant Articles. Utilize Facebook Instant Articles to publish content that loads instantly within the Facebook app, providing a faster and more seamless reading experience for mobile users. Facebook Analytics. Leverage Facebook Analytics to track website traffic, user behavior, and loading times, identifying areas for improvement and optimizing your website for Facebook-generated traffic. Facebook Developer Tools. Utilize Facebook Developer Tools to debug and optimize your website's code, identify performance bottlenecks, and enhance its overall efficiency. Facebook CDN. Leverage Facebook's Content Delivery Network, CDN, to cache and distribute your website's static content, such as images, videos, and scripts, from geographically distributed servers, reducing load times and improving global performance. Section 3. Optimizing your website for Facebook. To optimize your website for Facebook, follow these steps. Compress images. Optimize images by reducing their file size without compromising quality, using tools like JPEG Mini or TinyPNG. Minify code. Minify CSS, HTML, and JavaScript files to remove unnecessary whitespace, comments, and code bloat, reducing file sizes and improving loading times. Utilize browser caching. Enable browser caching to store static content locally on users' devices, reducing the need to download these resources each time they visit your site. Reduce redirects. Minimize the number of redirects, as each redirect adds an extra HTTP request, slowing down the loading process. Optimize third-party scripts. Carefully analyze and optimize third-party scripts, such as analytics trackers and advertising tags, to minimize their impact on loading speed. Section 4. Testing and monitoring website performance. Regularly test and monitor your website's performance using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Web Page Test to identify areas for improvement and track progress over time. Test on different devices and browsers. Ensure your website performs well across various devices, browsers, and network conditions. Track loading times. Monitor website loading times for different pages and user segments to identify specific areas that need optimization. Analyze user behavior. Analyze user behavior data to understand how visitors interact with your website and identify potential performance bottlenecks. Continuously refine. Continuously refine your website optimization efforts based on testing and monitoring results, ensuring your website remains fast and responsive for all users. By optimizing your website for Facebook and utilizing its tools and features, you can significantly improve your website's loading speed, enhance user experience, boost search engine rankings, and increase your chances of success in the online world. Remember, website speed is an ongoing process that requires continuous attention and adaptation to evolving technologies, user expectations, and search engine algorithms. By making website speed a priority, you can ensure your online presence delivers value to your audience and drives business growth.